Hi everyone! So today we are opening the Boxycharm base box, so the $25 box. Before we get started, I just want to say this is going to be my last video before I go to Spain tomorrow, and I do not have any boxes to pre-film, so I won't be posting for at least 10 days. I think I'll probably be more like 2 weeks, so heads up. I will have some videos on my other channel, which I do plan on vlogging, and I'll post there when I'm back. But I do post like tarot readings daily. They're just like a minute or less shorts, and I'll probably continue to do that because it's really easy to do on my phone and quick. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box, I will link that down below if you're interested in that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'm super excited. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I love cats. I'm going to Spain tomorrow. If you didn't get that gist already, I'm super pumped. But yeah, let's start opening this Boxycharm box. Sorry, I'm awkward. I'm so excited today. So, here we go. I did try on one of the items, and just like the premium box, which I opened just the other day, the theme is Spellbound, and oh, I didn't even realize it's open. I don't know, there's some dates and stuff here. Choice is open if you guys did not choose yet for the November boxes. I think my version is, I don't know, C2110012BA. I know that means like base box, but I like to think badass. So let's start off with the things I tried. Well, yeah, I guess I used two things. So I was actually excited about this because I'm only bringing like shadow sticks, I think, with me to Spain. I'm just going to do quick, easy makeup like I've been doing lately anyway. So I was actually really excited to get these. And the packaging is super cute. It's by Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And there's two shadow sticks in here. They call them multi-use makeup sticks, actually. So you can use them like as a primer, because there is one that's like a nude color, and then there's this like orange color, which I love. I put both on my eyes just to try it out. Okay, my hair's like extra red today. So I just really like stuff like this. I've been using it because I like just quick looks these days, and plus when I'm traveling, this won't like break or get messy during flight, so I'm totally gonna bring these. So let me swatch it for you. I love this type of stuff. I already had a few packed or like ready to pack, and I'm just gonna throw these in too, because sometimes maybe in the morning I'll just do like the next. I'm gonna be flying for like 13 hours total tomorrow, I think. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna wear too much makeup, but let's keep on going. So these are by Loose Beauty. There's two things in here by them. There's a brush set, and I was really excited because, you know, your girl is terrible about washing my brushes. They're all dirty. Maybe that's the real reason why I've been using all these shadow sticks, but there's a set of 4 eye brushes in here, and I love the like blue color, the royal blue color they are. And there's like 2 blending, 1 packing, maybe not like a little blender too. Does it say it there? I mean, not like really matters, you can use them forever. A deluxe blending brush, a classic blending brush, an angled blending brush, and a rounded pencil brush. Nice. So these are the types I use. I might pack them or not. I haven't decided if I'm going to bring any powder shadows at all, but if I do, the next item looks like it could be good. So this is actually a set, same brand, Loose Beauty? Translucent? I don't know, someone correct me please. This comes with an eyeshadow palette and a pair of lashes. I never wear lashes. I was talking recently about how I wanted to start doing it, but right now I'm in such a casual makeup mode, but maybe when I it gets cooler here, if it ever does, I'll get more into like doing more detailed looks, or if I get more time. Oops. So there's some eyelash glue that, well, it says courtesy eyelash glue, so I guess that's a little bonus. Here are the lashes. So they actually look pretty and like kind of natural, you know. I mean, any lashes on me would look unnatural because I don't really have any naturally. So here's the palette. Isn't the outside of it really pretty? I love the colors of it. I am siempre divina. I am divine. What's the middle word mean? I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know all the words, but there is a little mirror, which is nice. And the colors are really pretty. I'm loving these types of oranges and reds lately. So maybe I will pack this. I don't know, it looks really pretty. I like the names: Resilient, Unstoppable, Vibrant. So I'm excited about that. And then one thing I know I'm going to pack, because I know how I get, especially after some wine or sangria or something, I'm lazy about taking my makeup off. So we got some makeup wipes, and it looks like there's skincare in here too. So this is by Julep Beauty. Throwback to when they used to have a subscription service. Did anyone get that? I did. It came with like nail polish and like other makeup stuff, or you could like customize it, but that's no longer. But they're still a company, and these are really pretty, like the actual packaging of this. So makeup remover, pore refining, witch hazel. It's 100% biodegradable too, which is important to me. And there's 60 towelettes in here, and there's glycerin in it. It helps boost glow. Olive oil moisturizes and hydrates, and witch hazel deep cleanses the pores. So that's awesome. It can take off my makeup and do a little bit of skincare. I'll be set. So these are going right into my bag. And then the item, I believe this is what I chose by Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love a dewy look. So I am excited to try these out, and I love the smell of watermelon. I put their little like mini size watermelon body cream in my travel bag. I don't think I'm gonna open this yet because I have a few serums open, but I'm excited to try this. If you guys have tried it, please let us know in the comments if you like it. And what do you guys think about my box? I think it was actually pretty good. Do I like this more than the premium box? I am excited about the shadow sticks because I know not everyone might be, but I actually really am. I like the colors. It came like a base I can use for like when I do use powder, because I do like to use a primer on my eyes, so I'll have to test it out to see how it works. If you guys tried it, let me know. But these came perfect time. In the little palette, I don't wear lashes, but these look like ones I would try. Like they're not as threatening or scary looking as some like humongously like fluffy ones and stuff. So I don't know though. I haven't tried or attempted to put on lashes in a long time, and I never did so successfully. So if you have any tips, let me know. Oh, and I'm definitely excited to get brushes. So overall, I am happy with it. If you guys are not subscribed to Boxycharm or you're interested, I have a link down below. Not affiliated. I do pay for this box myself. It's just a referral link that everyone gets when they sign up for Boxycharm. So yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna miss you, but again, stay. Follow me on Instagram too. I'll definitely be posting on there as long as I have a Wi-Fi connection wherever I am. But maybe I can like just take little video clips or photos and then post them when I'm back in the hotel. But I'm super excited. So we're going to Seville, then Madrid, then Barcelona. It's gonna be so fun. If you guys have been there, let me know what your favorite spots are. But yeah, I'll miss you guys. But again, if you're on Instagram, follow me there. And on my other channel, I'll do my tarot readings still and all of that. 'Cause, again, that's just like a minute a day. And it's super fun. I do it anyways for myself. So yeah, I love you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I will miss you, but I'll be back with unboxing super soon. And yeah, I'll see you then. Bye guys. Love you.